In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a reference line in Tableau to highlight key metrics or targets in your data. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tableau tips. Start by opening Tableau on your desktop or browser and logging in. Once you're in, open an existing workbook or create a new one. Then, go to the Analytics pane on the left side of your screen. This is where Tableau's advanced tools are located. From the Analytics pane, drag the reference line option onto your chart. Tableau will ask where to apply it. You can choose the entire table, a specific pane, or just one cell depending on your needs. Next, choose the type of reference line you want: constant, average, median, or custom. For example, use constant to mark a target or average to show overall performance. After that, you will see settings for value and label. Enter the number or field you want the line to represent and give it a clear label like target sales or average revenue. Finally, customize the line's appearance. Adjust the color, thickness, or style to make it visually stand out. When you're done, click OK to apply it. And that's it. You've added a clean, professional reference line to your Tableau visualization. It's fast, simple, and helps your audience instantly understand your data story. Like this video for more quick Tableau guides every week.